In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom footer buttons in Salesforce Screen Flow. By the end, you'll know how to build a simple screen flow and tailor the footer so your buttons say exactly what you want. First, log into your Salesforce org and head to Setup. In Lightning, you'll find Setup under the gear icon in the top right. From there, open Advanced Setup to get the full setup experience. In the Quick Find box, type Flows, then open the Flows page and click New Flow. Choose Screen Flow. A screen flow is an interactive flow that presents screens to users, collects input, and can guide them through a process step by step. It's perfect when you want a guided experience with custom navigation labels. In the Flow Builder canvas, click the plus icon next to the Start node to add your first element, and select Screen. The screen element is where you design what users see: fields, text, choices, and more. Give the screen a clear label so it's easy to recognize. As you type, notice the API name fills in automatically. This is the developer-friendly name Salesforce uses behind the scenes. Now click Configure Footer. This is where the custom footer magic happens. If you want to completely control navigation from components or actions elsewhere, you can uncheck Show Footer to hide the standard buttons. Otherwise, keep the footer visible and enable the option to use a custom label. With custom labels, you can rename the default buttons to match your process, like changing next to continue or submit, and previous to back. This small tweak helps your users understand exactly what each button will do. Once your footer is set, add the components you need to the screen, such as text, inputs, or choices. For any component you plan to reference later in the flow, provide a concise API name. This makes it easier to use the data elsewhere in your logic without confusion. When your screen looks good, click Done to return to the canvas. Save your work. Provide a flow label that clearly describes the purpose, and Salesforce will automatically populate the API name based on that label. Click Save again to commit your changes. That's it. We logged in, opened Setup, created a new screen flow, added a screen, configured the footer with custom labels, added components with useful API names, and saved our flow. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.